Welcome. Today we're diving into a helpful feature of the Telegram app that many users might not be aware of. If you've been looking to find all the shared documents in your Telegram chats on PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, accessing these files has become easier than ever. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your chats. Once you're in, take a moment to browse through your list of conversations. Find the chat where you want to view shared documents and click to open it. Now that you're in the chat, look towards the top of the window. You'll see the name of the chat or the contact. Click on the chat name to reveal more options related to that conversation. This is where you can manage settings and view shared content. Next, you'll see an option labeled Files. Click on this, and voila! You'll be taken to a dedicated section displaying all the files that have been shared in this chat. Whether it's images, documents, or other types of files, everything will be neatly organized for you to browse through. As you scroll through the list, you can easily locate the specific document you need. Click on any file to download or view it directly. This feature is especially handy for keeping track of important documents without having to sift through the entire chat history. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly view all the shared documents in your Telegram chats on your PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. So, next time you need to find a file on Telegram, remember these steps and make your search much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.